Hi friends, today's lesson is Module 4, Lesson 36. Our learning goal for today says, I can make models to show how I subtract. And the models we're going to super focus on are 5-group models. Now, in our last lesson, we practiced building these 5-group models when we were making the number 9. Today, we're going to work with an even bigger number and use 5-group models. That number is the number 10. That's right, friends. We're going to make 5-group models of the number 10 to show when we're subtracting. Okay, so first of all, I have to draw my good picture. And what's a nice, fast way to draw in math? Yes, thank you, to use circles. So here we go. Count with me, friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm in my 5 group. I'm going to go to the next line. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Huh. I don't know about you, friends, but nothing feels as comfortable as having 10 all together in 2 5 groups. Whew, it's so beautiful. So organized. All right. So if I made my model of 10 using 5 groups and I want to subtract, I'm going to subtract 4 in this case. I'm going to start with the end of my 10. I just do that because I like to keep as many 5 groups whole as possible. So I'm going to go ahead and X out starting at the end of 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now that shows taking away 4. Okay, so 5 groups are super helpful because they let us do what, friends? Yes, count very quickly. So I could say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to find out that 6 is the other part. Or I could just use my good knowledge about 5 groups and say 5, 6. I can count the 5 group as one whole 5 and then just add one more. 5, 6. Friends, what's a subtraction sentence that I could say if I started with 10 to show what I took away? Excellent. 10 minus 4 would equal what? Good, 6. If I forgot, let me look at this helpful model. 5, 6. Excellent. All right, friends, I'm going to have you practice drawing some 10s using 5 groups. So I need you to grab a dry erase board and a marker or a notebook and a pencil. Press pause while you get those materials and then press play when you're ready. Okay, you all set, friends? All right, we're going to go ahead and start with the number 10 again. So we're going to be drawing a model of that using 5 groups. I want you to go ahead and get your pencil or marker and draw with me. Here we go, nice and neatly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have to go to a new line because we have to do another 5 group. 5, keep counting on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Excellent. Now you'll notice that when I drew my 5 groups, I stacked them right on top of each other as neatly as possible. Again, it's all about being organized with our models so that we can clearly see all that good thinking. Okay, from that beautiful 5 groups of 10 that we just made, we are going to be taking away 3. So I recommend starting at the end of 10, so starting down here, and I want you to go ahead and show how you would take away 3. Go ahead, friends. Good, you should have done some crossing out, right? I already crossed out 1, 2, 3. All right, does your model look like mine? Good job. All right, so using the 5 groups, we can clearly and quickly count the other part, which would be what, friends? Yes, 7. 5, 6, 7. Perfecto. Go ahead and write a number sentence to show having 10 and taking away to get to the last part. Yeah, we had 10 minus what? Perfect, 3. And then how many do we have left over? Oh no, I forgot. Let me look at this awesome model. 5, 6, 7. Yeah, 7. So 10 minus 3 equals 7. Fantastic. All right, erase your board, friends. All right, let's try it one more time. I'm going to have you go ahead and draw a 10 using 5 groups, but press pause this time. When you're done, press play and see if your picture matches mine. Okay, you have your 10. All right, let's see if you drew beautiful 5 groups like I did. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, you should have 2 5 groups to show 10. Is that what yours looks like? Haha, rock star. All right, now we're going to model taking away 5. Oh my goodness. All right, I can't even look. Press pause. I want you to cross out 5 and then press play to check yourself. Okay, did you do it? All right, so I'm going to start with, and I hope that you did too, I'm going to start at the end of 10 and I'm going to cross out from there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whoa, we just got rid of a whole 5 group, right? So then super fast, as fast as I can snap my fingers, you should be able to say how many are left over. Yeah, 5. Did you have to count each of those individually? No, why not? Yes, because it was just that whole 5 group that is left over. We know that 5 group is 5. That's why this model is so super helpful. All right, write a good number sentence that shows this subtraction. Okay, if we're going to match this model, we would say 10 minus 5 equals 5, which we know because this model shows there's a whole 5 group left. Well, friends, our learning goal for today said, I can make models to show how to subtract. And that's exactly what we did. And we used a really special kind of model. What kind? Yes, a 5 group model. I highly recommend using them when you are subtracting because you can clearly see the leftover parts. All right, you did amazing, friends. So I wish you well as you continue your work.